Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring strawberry jam and bread. Let's start drawing. First I draw a piece of bread like this. Right here, I draw a strawberry. And then I draw a jar of strawberry jam. Draw a shape of heart like this. To make the drawing more vivid, I draw faces for them with cute eyes and smiling mouths. Then I use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. First I use pink to paint their cheeks. Then I use red to paint this shape of heart. Paint this strawberry. And this jar of strawberry jam. Green. For a piece of bread, I use dark yellow to paint. Our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.